Good morning, guys. Yep. Well, I'm here for a couple days. Got here yesterday about 8 a.m., 10:30, 10 o'clock. I left, it was 8. Got here about 10, unloaded the truck, and started setting things up. I had some staining to do, had some cutting to do, and I did that, and then it started raining. I put up a short just before this yesterday, so caught me off guard. Skies were blue, and then the clouds just came in, and it rained. It stopped. I continued working. It rained again. It stopped. It was dark. So that's the way it is. Look at this shirt. Country Road Cure. They're doing fantastic. They're shed to house and they're getting power. Go ahead and check them out. Pretty cool. Simple Life Reclaim, same thing. Pretty cool project they got going. Anyway, speaking of projects, look at this, guys. Look at that. I had this custom made. This custom cup was custom made by Hood's Custom Shop with my logo on it. I'm not drinking coffee out of it right now. I have to put butcher oil on it, butcher block oil on it to protect it, and I don't want to stain it with the coffee without that. So I just wanted to show you. Number 2, look at that. I love this, Dave. I ordered it from him, gave him some business, and I asked him to put his logo on it, and I asked him to put my logo on it. He did a fantastic job. I love it. Can't wait to drink coffee out of this. I've just been a little lazy and busy, combination of both. Yeah. So I got some footage that I'm going to put up of the work I did yesterday. Right now, skies are blue. The wood is drying, the parts I have to stain. I brought it in under the overhang and inside last night. And it rained a good part of last night too. So, as everything's wet, I'm going to continue working, finishing off the things I need to do, which is the edge of my deck. I got 2x4 areas I have to put, and the railing for the steps. Because I did the steps, you'll see here in a second, yesterday. So, really appreciate you guys. Enjoy the show. All right, guys. So, I bought this stair stringer as a template. I'm not going to use it. I'm actually going to return it. So I traced it in on my 2x12 step stair stringer. I don't know if you can see that. I traced it, and then I'm going to be cutting it. I got 2 of them on this board.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spreading in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. And ooh, I was done feeling hopeless, screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own.
All right, guys. Just stopped raining. I gotta get back to work. Everything's wet, but it is what it is. I don't have much time left, and next weekend I've got people coming over here, so I need steps here. I need to put up these 4x4s, and then some type of safety railing or ribbon or something. So I'll think of something. Keep on walking.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy. Everything we need right here. Make me sing along. Sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you.
Hey again, guys. Well, got the steps done. They're nice and leveled. And the industry standard here in Arizona is 36 inches wide, 36 inches width. I have 38 just to make sure. And I got my stair stringers on the 9 inches on each side, and 16.5 inches in between, which is perfect for 2x12s. These are 2x12s, so nice and wide step. And as you just saw, I went up and down, nice and sturdy, and it's leveled. So keep on watching. There's more.
Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here. Moonlight on your naked skin, summer's blind us to give in. Where you wanna go, where you wanna
guys, well, you saw me put the stairs. My 2x4s are wet, so I can't stain them. So I'll keep them inside overnight, stain them first thing in the morning, and then install them. They're just on the ledge. So, and then that's going to be pretty much it. I added the 4 2x4, 3x3s. They're 3x3s, 3.5 by 3.5, not quite 4x4s. I got 4 of them across. That's gonna hold the perch. It's gonna go across to support the overhang, and it's gonna use as a railing pillars for now. So stick around, there's more in the morning.
Sharing all your deepest dreams, wonder what they really mean, yeah. In the empty bottle lies all the answers. Write down all your memories, feel the things you wanna feel, yeah. In the empty bottle lies all the answers. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder, wash it over me, yeah. We got everything we need right here. So don't let me go, nah, 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 nah. I'm all up in that love haze.
Hey again, guys. Well, I got a railing now to build right here. So, because per standard, anything over a step or 2, step and a half needs a railing. Yeah, everything over a step or 2 needs a railing. So I'm gonna build that. Have it. Railing, sturdy, standard 36 minimum inches. I got 37 and a half with this 2x4 on top. I'm really happy. Hey guys, epic fail. I'm editing my video and I noticed that I didn't have my little exit speech. that I usually have. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the footage. I only had like a day and a half and it rained. It slowed me down, but I got what I needed done. So next weekend there's gonna be more, and thanks for watching. Until next time, ciao.